cube of infinity. Okay, never
Guys,
mind.
want some Coca-Cola? Wait, boss. Hey,
Bro, let's feed on this box, yo.
My hammer.
Coca-Cola.
Right, you want some cookies?
No one wants to push
Sure.
Wait, are we gonna go kill the mimic things? Are we gonna do the mimic things after this? That? What happens after the mimic? I'm confused. What happens after the mimic?
How do you die already?
Coca-Cola is cola.
Ouch, who did that?
Here you go, Coca-Cola. There you go.
I got one right here, You ready, Jeff?
Yeah, I killed him, bro. It was nearly all me.
I got you! Hey, I got you!
Everybody dig!
Hey, everybody dig! You got...
This is for you for being such a great leader.
I want to hear you!
Wait, who's the leader?
Guys, you really hate you gun! I'm leader!
No, you're not, bud. You're not leader. Who do you think you are?
That is not
I'm the
leader,
first
bro.
one, what do you mean?
That is
The
not.
kid thinks he's leader. You're not leader, bud.
Be quiet.
You be quiet. You're the one saying you're leader in mine. You don't do
You
that.
can.
I don't always be quiet.
Who said who wasn't the leader? You know.
Mind a bigger space, yo. What is happening? This is chaotic. Ah, yo, we're killing each other.
I already have like half anything.
I'm out. I can't do this anymore.
That's so much blood. I'm making my dead.
That's genuinely so much fun. Okay, I need your ghost. Check it out. I got you. Come to me. Nobody hit me. I'm trying to make a bigger face. Place. Where are you?
Oh, hey, Brad, how you doing?
Shit was good, yeah.
Ouch.
Make a bigger...
Okay, I'm about to hit you. I just can't. Bigger place? Bet. Or go down.
Place. Sorry. I just have so many souls. Oh.
She's dead. She's the boss place. Ouch, she's hitting me.
Eat this! Eat this!
Brad,
Eat this!
we've reached the bomb.
Eat this! Eat this! Yo! Yo! Eat it! Eat it! Hey! Hey! Eat it! Eat it!
I'm here.
Eat it! Yes! Eat this! Eat it! Eat it! Eat it! Is it like
down here
a
already? When did you get here? Open it.
Aha!
Put on No troll left behind, guys. No troll left behind.
I am shocked.
Dance, dude.
I'll save you all.
Guys, I'll be key! I'll be key! I'll be
I'm
key!
gonna die.
A key!
Go through the case, go through the... Hurry up, guys.
The guy's not open!
I'm getting in.
Go through the case, hurry up.
Wait! He's not hurry!
It's all illegal. No troll left behind, guys.
Guys, I'm helping!
I got you, I can give you a boost on my sword.
I'm helping!
I'll give him a boost.
Stop letting us. Womp womp.
Go as far as you can.
Me.
Go as far as you can.
Go as
I
far
hope
as
you-
you can.
Maybe you can.
Apparently to me, the guy that got me in the server
Here,
is the
everyone.
game. Lost.
Womp womp.
Oh my god.
Leave everyone.
As you came to the game.
In stage 5.
Somebody to the honors of killing them. Lock everything.
Guys, I fell down already.
Where are we? We're doing all of this just to go to the moon? Are we doing all of this just to go to the moon?
How long are you gonna be down there?
This is so useless. What are we
We're on the way
doing?
back.
This is so useless. Someone said close the door?
Give me that MRE. I need that.
Someone said close the door?
Are we gonna go through the gate?
Can stay there.
No, stay there. Stay there.
Stay put. Go to the
I'm gonna hit you in. I'm gonna put that one guy down.
No, how
Now
did
try it. Try it now. Try it now. Try it now.
So close.
Buddy, stop hitting me.
Ow.
I told you. I told you. I told you I got that open. Stop hitting me.
Ow.
Well, don't hit me then.
Guys, we're already down there. I have to go down.
Just run. Just run.
We can't close it.
Yo, what are we doing, yo?
Oh my God.
Hello. Hi.
Look, guys, just run. I also got a second one. Lap one.
You guys don't need to worry about all like the mirrors and stuff. I already know.
Lap one.
They're coming.
Number down.